setting. They're going to talk about it. Supervised by who? Only by the teacher, a stranger.
Meron pa tayong isang video na papanoorin. This was something that we uploaded on the internet on January 10. Let's watch this.
Magnanakaw na nakapasok sa bahay.
Mananahimik na lang ba?
May magnanakaw na nakapasok sa bahay.
Makakatulog pa ba ng mahigpit?
May magnanakaw na nakapasok sa bahay.
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 Kailangang manggising. Kailangang mag-ingay.
Kailangang manindigan at ipaglaban
Ipaglaban.
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 ipaglaban ang kabataang dalisay.
The dangers of DepEd Memo Order number 31 being rolled out and Senate Bill 1979. These both incorporate the Comprehensive Sexuality Education Program. Mayroon pong insidious na ginagawa ito. Tinago nila sa ibang pangalan. Ang ganda-ganda, no? Anti-teen pregnancy. Pero ang intention ay iba. Sirain ang kamusmusan, sirain ang pagkadalisay ng ating mga kabataan. We have to push back. We cannot be unmoved. We have to act. We have to get involved. Join Project Dalisay. Let's all stand together and fight this invasion of our culture by a foreign ideology. Not on our watch.
Not on our watch. Kinakailangan po nating ipaglaban ang innocence, ang purity ng ating mga kabataan. Sabihin mo nga sa katabi mo, not on my watch. Dahil ang Puso Movement ay may gagawin, hindi ba? Maganda na ang inyong ginagawa, kinakailangan lamang nating higit na palakasin at higit tayong maging involved, not just in the four safe corners of our churches, but we need to go out of our comfort zones. We need to go out to our communities, in public schools, in our health centers. We need to go to our Senate. We need to go to our Congress so that our voices may be heard. Sabihin mo sa katabi mo, may boses ka. Gamitin mo ang boses na iyan. The Lord has given me a voice, and for the longest time, I have been using that over